Good morning, people. We're in my bird room today. I've separated all my males, getting them ready on their own. They're fighting too much. That's a nice mosaic male there. And another mosaic male there. There you go. Nice big red factor there. There you go, another red. That's another red factor there. His colouring isn't the best. Took him off a little bit too early, but he'll be right for next year. That's an apricot cockbird. Under him, there's another apricot. And another apricot. Down here, got a hard-feathered cockbird. And another hard-feathered cock. Another lightly variegated cockbird, hard. And another hard-feathered cockbird. Underneath there, another mosaic male. And then another mosaic. And another mosaic. And that's my flight with all my hen birds in there. Just open the door, get a better look at them. There you go. Hopefully in a couple of months they'll be ready to breed. So just start some preparation from now. And that's all for now, guys.